amount of knowledge, you know, as it relates to certain crops.
Okay.
Understand me?
Easy, just copy next man.
And I don't think you can copy next one the way how things are run, because if you, alright, say you live power farming complex. If your crop are got ready for reaping, you have to tell your neighbor, say, listen, no, but they're not spraying this week, because I reap. If I say breeze, we blow the spray, we must spray over Finland for your crop in reap. So you have to be aware of your surroundings, you understand me?
Well, if your property can only grow corn, then, well, a corn you have to go grow. Because every soil can grow corn.
Tehran, big up.
But that's true still.
Then you live hillside property, you know, say a cucumber and then something you have to go plant.
But you know a great injustice what them a do? The flat land, them a change it up and I put house on the flat land. Or you put house on flat land. You know, put house on the hillside, man.
Mm-hmm. And that is a natural way of building a house. It becomes a barrier for the houses when wind time, when hurricane time. I mean, I always wonder why these people put their house in a them like a place. Because them back in the days, them know the hill go and protect them when you have hurricane or something.
Right now, them use up part of the flat land them in St. Catherine. I put house.
So.
Yeah, so that's not supposed to happen.
You have to run the water and the light and all them something there.
Me understand, say, a politics and a corruption, you know. Because land original zone was farming and them just change it overnight and put up house. And nobody does say nothing.
When the government is see for them too much. And then we are government, we agree with the foolishness.
And this way, if we are aware of what going on, we can put stop to certain things. As you know, so before the election, with the DRS, the call center them, I got recall. And you notice, you know, here nobody from opposition or government say nothing about it. And I know when I hear nothing about it, I just hear whispering and go on.
Any freeze one left in Jamaica?
No, the call center them, you must say.
No, freeze zone. You remember freeze zone?
Yeah.
Most of them closing down, eh?
Really, the car center, them are closed down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Majority of them closing down.
The majority, all of them are go back.
Lord of mercy.
Well, them young people they are going to do now when them come up when they're not no job.
Can you imagine, Mark? And most of them as they leave school, that's the easiest way they can get employed, you know, though.
What will happen to them now? More gunmen are going to turn out back in Jamaica.
That's true. They want back the company them in America. That's why they have to leave.
Yeah, but I want to tell you something. The white people, they have the not to do it.
They might have them the job they like to stay home and do them something, the man.
No, but you no, them not going to want them to stay home and do it. Them want them in a one look, it's confined space, but the white people, them not in that.
No,
white people, them not in that.
No, India not going to take over from America, take them like water in Canada. Indian, I come from India, no for them. Because they have them computer knowledge there and them all kind of technology in their little brain. Because where them come from, I just that them know. So that America want, we get the Chinese them in India and pay them cheap. Nickel and dime them too.
Wow.
The cheaper they can get the service, and that's how them are going to move it too.
Wow.
If we go all like India and pay them shilling a day.
Yeah.
Jamaican economy too damn expensive. Everything.
Remember, so they made it overinflated a long time ago, you know, so you now can't change, you know. Anyway, Sir Mark, you're going to take me leave, you know, because we'll look something to deal with, you know, so if anything tomorrow again.
Alright, my father, big up yourself, enough respect, then.
Alright, brother, blessing.
Yeah, man, give thanks to the message them, you know.
Yeah, man.
I know.
Not really so much in my market. I just wanna take my time, I take things easy
Oh.
and just try and do whatever, you know?
Once you get in touch with that person, you're going to be good. Just get in touch with that person.
Yeah, man, I'm trying, and I'm gonna do. And I think it's no, it's at 12. I'm gonna try about 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try about 2 o'clock.
Yes, comrades. Get some request on the live, there, please. Request on the live. Send some request on the live. Send a request.
All right, brethren. Was nice talking still, eh? Hopefully we can talk again, so.
Big up yourself, my father. Enough respect, you know, man.
Yeah, man, we're going to jump on the next ship over here and see if we can go trouble people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Balance out yourself. Have a good day here.
yeah, man. You too, man. Big up yourself.
All right, one.
Oh, what? Most of the comrades, I don't know if you realize that what most of them did during the election, just them just up in the orange and then they go vote for who them I vote for. And we think them really a comrade.
Money. I'm buying the money.
I tell myself so as much as I'm in certain state and anything coming, me not go quickly make them grab their money. So, yeah, really want any good. No, me can't go see no progress tonight. To go damp me.
I like labor rights, and I couldn't take their money. For the first, I really like it.
Because we can't understand. Sensible people, when they move around, when you go in a supermarket alone, Mark, that alone kill you, not true?
Someone.
Because remember, you know, alright, you shop for the weekend, but you know, say, oh, me have to go pick up this. You know, so me forget that, or so on. So when you turn in the Monday or Tuesday, you don't say one different price. Oh my God, can you imagine? The poor pensioner, they can't go manage a loaf of bread. Simple thing. Simplest thing. Then some would have feel to eat or eat, but then can't get to make them to feel comfortable. A loaf of bread. Then
But-
can't survive.
But the country you turn for now, I borrow from the country. Huh? You can't get your money from nowhere. I don't know what is to come. Bruce, what's up?
The health sector,
Good morning, Mark.
the shambles.
The lady me talking to, sorry. I want to ask the lady a question.
Yes.
Me,
Penny, are you shut up?
Yeah, man, yes, I'm here. But because never. Something keep out when you talk a while.
Choose your phone and go in and out when I hear you clear.
Yes.
oh,
Talk again, Truth.
All right. So
please.
me want to ask you one question. And I want to ask people this question. Of raising Jamaica, you have banana. And when the banana raise, somebody go to the farm and go buy the banana and carry the banana come to market. Who raise it?
Because I'm here buy from. What's up?
Huh?
I'm saying, I think.
All right, so you have rice and you have flour. You have rice and flour. You go pick up some grocery. You go pick up chicken. You go pick. Because here in America, I think you pay 7% on each dollar, and that's stay for every year. The tax is raised. You think it's the government that raised these private people stuff that they put out there, or you think that
Well-
it is It is the taxes that the government gets. The government don't get it. If you go work into a hotel and you say Mr. Bush Stewart have a and